90-second recipe go. We're doing a Beyond Beef with blackened Brussels sprouts. You want to chop up an onion, a couple of mushrooms. I used 6 this time, 6 or 8, something like that. And your Brussels, you want to cut those in half, remove the bottom part. They're not that good. I didn't use Beyond Beef in this recipe. Use Beyond Beef. It's way better than what I used. Mince up 3 cloves of garlic. Set that aside. Then you want to salt and add a little bit of rice vinegar to your rice. Get that cooking. Get your cast iron warmed up. Heat up some oil in that. I like to saute my veggies before I saute the Beyond Beef. Usually it'd be the opposite way around if you were using real meat, but I like doing it this way because you don't know how long it's going to take for that meat to cook. Anyway, set those veggies aside. In the meantime, get another pan with some hot oil. Get those Brussels in there. You want to coat them all with oil. After that happens, get your Beyond Beef started. There's the brand. Didn't like it. See that little black on there. Once you get that char, you want to steam it with some water. Cover that. Season your Beyond Beef at this point. Little salt, little pepper. And then once you see those crispy bits, you can add your veggies back. Stir that in. Keep cooking it for a little bit longer. I mean, taste it. It's Beyond Beef. It's good. At this point, I'm going to drizzle those steamed Brussels with a little citrus habanero olive oil that my mother-in-law got me. Phenomenal. Add your garlic. Saute that for about a minute. You don't want to overdo it. It will get bitter. Once about a minute's passed and you start to get a little bit of color, you can go ahead and remove that from heat. Cover it. Let that residual heat in the pan finish cooking it. At this point, fluff your rice. Get that ready. Your Beyond Beef should be about done. Enjoy.